this is Colleen, out and about with Colleen, on the Colleen's Corner YouTube channel, and this is on the playlist. And I was basically at TAFE College today, and I was doing a workshop on radio station advertising, and prior to that I have previously done starting my own online railway station, and I found all those courses very enjoyable. And I'm going back to where I was before. I'm going past the TAFE College, and there's a lot of other things around, like the ABC studios, Central Station. A lot of that used to be all my stamping ground. So, as you can see, UTS is next door. So I'm in Mary Ann Street right now in Ultimo. Fun part. That's the fun. All the buildings I used to go to, UTS here. And now I've got to get back onto Harris Street. Powerhouse Museum. There somewhere. I want to try and get to there. Ultimo Road, Market City. If I'm walking a bit clumsily, it's probably because there are a lot of bumps and that on the footpath, because those city footpaths are very old and cracked, and a lot of tree roots and stuff. saw this on my way in, and here is where you can get there as an audience member. Ultimo. The other side. There it is, ABC. Oh look, there's the play school. Play school. Let's see, Big Ted, Humpty Dumpty, and Jemima. I don't know where Hamble is. Out of all the play school things. I don't know what other props there are, but I saw the countdown sign earlier on too. There it is, countdown. There's a police box, like as in Doctor Who. You see, like it's the TARDIS. Doctor Who, even though it's an English show, it ultimately went to air in Australia, so you can see the countdown sign just a bit better here. I saw it better when I was coming in. There we go. Used to take goods from Central Station to Paddy's Markets, why they call it the goods line. And this is huge house. Don't you just love their buildings?